you're experiencing crashing issues while playing GTA 5, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Step 2. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them automatically. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to see if that resolves the crashing issue. Start with settings like resolution, texture quality, and shadows, and gradually increase them to find a stable configuration. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary background applications that may be consuming system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, or any software that might interfere with the game. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling GTA 5. This can help clear any persistent issues that might be causing the crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues in GTA 5. If problems persist, consider seeking further assistance from gaming forums or support services.